Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete Jodel account. First of all, launch open Jodel application. You can see over here Jodel application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to delete your account, for that tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the options like my Jodels, my replies, etc. Tap on this option more that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings over here. Scroll down. Under the section for other, at fourth, you'll be able to find this option for delete account. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll have to specify the reason for deletion. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now tap on this option, delete account, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to confirm the deletion. The deletion of your Jodel account can take up to 14 days. During this period, you won't be able to post, comment or vote. If your account is banned, deleting it will not remove the ban. Tap on this option, delete, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you have confirmed the deletion. Now wait for the 14 days and your account will officially be deleted. So like this you'll be able to delete your account. So that is how you delete your Jodel account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.